Hey everyone. Sorry I look goofy. I'm always looking goofy whenever I record, make a video, but it's whatever. Let's not mind that. But how are you doing? Doing good. Okay. Alright, but today we're gonna be unboxing Daisuke Kambe from A Millionaire Detective Balance Unlimited Nendoroid. So what you call it, I've pre-ordered this on Right Stuff and I got it a couple days ago. I think I pre-ordered it around March and I got it in August because it was supposed to come to me last month in July, but it didn't come in July. It came out this month. But anyways, yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I got a lot of stuff for my birthday too, so I'll do a birthday haul possibly. But okay, let's get into it.
Kambe Daisuke.
one more thing, yeah, you can follow me on social media such as TikTok, just to get snippets of mini hauls and just little unboxing videos. So make sure to follow me on that, and all of my social media will be linked in the description. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night. Bye.